Hey, to change wallpaper on the CMF Watch Pro, we've got actually few methods. The first one, as you can see here, I have the custom wallpaper, but when I click and hold right here, I can actually find the different wallpapers. Currently, I've got like 6 different wallpapers, and let's say that I want to apply, for example, this one. But there's a second method how we can do this. So you have to just grab your phone, go into the CMF application, click right here and tap on the gallery. From this, you've got some recommended watch faces. So for example, if you want to get this watch face, you have to just click on it and now just click to use. And after a few moments, click yes. And after a few moments, you will find this watch face on your watch. Of course, you have to wait for this downloading process. So it will take probably around 10 to 20 seconds. And after this, I will show you how you can get custom wallpapers. So just wait for a few moments. So now we are on 80%. And now it's finished. Yeah, there we go. So now if you want to get the custom, just go back from this one, click on mine. And from this, you have to click on the custom. And as you can see, we have to click on the plus. And we can take the photo right now or pick something from our gallery. So let's do this. Maybe I'll take the photo right now. So there we go. I'm gonna take a photo of my speaker, click OK. And now you can just click on the right upper corner to apply this wallpaper on your CMF Watch Pro. And now to set it as a wallpaper, you have to just click to set to current watch face, and now we have to also wait for this downloading process. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.